She is a Redbone Coonhound. Hi, sweet girl. Yeah, she's a nice girl. Hi, baby. What are you doing? You coming in the bike? Brian practiced so that you could get right in there. I should have saved one of Milo's toys to give to you. Yeah. Hi, cutie. So this little girl is also available for adoption. I have all her vaccine records and stuff at home. I should have looked at her birth date. I think she's about 4.5 months, possibly close to 5 months, but I'll have to double check that. I don't think she's quite as old as our blue ticks. Hi! So she was in the house, and unfortunately her owner had to give her up due to health issues. Hi! Hey, silly girl. She's beautiful, little girl. And she would like to be a house dog again. It's in the shade. Hi, baby. Yes, hi, baby. Okay, I'm going to go over and see ya.